Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a gorgeous 1969 GTO Convertible. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna take a look at the interior. We're gonna look under the hood. We'll show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your GTO investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up. So check this GTO out. We got hideaway headlights. The paint work on the nose is beautiful. Everybody knows that the paint really suffers on a lot of these cars because that plastic moves around. This nose looks great. It's got the ram air hood, the hood tack. The hood's fitting nice and flush to the front fender. The wheel and tire combo looks good. The wheel lip moldings look good. The rocker molding looks great. Doors operate awesome, and it's got the perfect interior in it. Black interior, that's exactly what I want to see in all the muscle cars. She's got a black vinyl top on her. All the stainless looks good. The chrome looks good. The trim around the tail lights is in good shape. Get inside the trunk here. Look how nice and clean that trunk is. Now they've sprayed clear over this to seal it all up, and it is slick. It looks beautiful. We've got a wide oval spare tire in here. We've got nice paint work on the bottom side of the deck lid. Looks like the latch is new. The stainless on the edge of the deck lid looks good. When you look down the side of the car, she is straight as an arrow. The doors operate nice. The door jambs here are all nicely painted and polished up. It looks like the latch was restored also. All the rubber's been replaced. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we've spent the time to check the cars out before we bought them. When we bring them back here, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions when you call at 248-974-9513. Now let's take a look at this interior. Check out the door panel. She looks original to the car and she's in beautiful shape. Carpeting looks like it's new. The seats look like the covers are new on those. We got a center console in there. The dash looks great. Back seats in great shape. Looks like we got seat belts back here also. The upholstery on the seats in good shape. The finish on the top looks good. The door panels here in the back look great. The dome lights are working down low here. The dash pad itself's in great shape. And look at those gauges. The faces on the gauges look good. The lenses look great. Just a beautiful car inside and out. All right, let's go for a ride in the 69 GTO Convertible. You want to talk about rare, sweet car? Right here it is, Convertible GTO. Man, and it's driving awesome. She's restored to top quality. You're gonna love checking this one out, guys. So you can go to our website. We take about 100 pictures of them. Come on down and check it out. Heck, we never get any visitors. We sell about 90% of our cars sight unseen, and man, do we love to have visitors. I'd love to have you come on down and check this out. Or in most cases, you're gonna have to come on up because we're in Michigan. Now, we're only 20 minutes from the airport, so if you wanna fly in, we'll come down to the airport and pick you up. Also, call Tom anytime at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive anywhere in the world. Give him a call. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. Look down here on the dash. We got our gauges working over here. Looks like we got a generator light, oil pressure gauge. Looks like a temperature gauge over here. Speedo's working. The clock is not working. The blower motor is working. We got a power top. It is working. Looks like the stock radio here. It may be looks like a stock radio. I don't hear any music, but looky there. 8-track tape player. I tell you, when I was a kid, that's all we had. Dad was playing those John Denver tapes and those Waylon Jennings tapes. Love it. And you know what? Those 8-tracks didn't work worth a shit back then either. So I'm sure that one's probably not working. If you still got an 8-track, you better just get yourself an iPhone and listen to Waylon Jennings on your iPhone. Now listen to the exhaust on this baby. She is sweet. She's got a nice tough sound to her, but it's not too loud to give you a headache. She's driving nice and straight. The brakes feel great. The horn's working. The windshield wipers are also working. Now, we're right outside the Motor City, like I said. We'd love to have you come visit. We're coming up on our shop right now. Also, we offer financing. Give us a call. We've got 2 banks. 15-minute phone call to the bank, and we can park this dream in your drive. Now, here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. You got to stick around because we're going to put this up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We're going to pop the hood and take a look at what's making the power.
All right, guys, now we're underneath the beautiful 69 GTO Convertible. Check this beauty out. New gas tank, new exhaust, running a 10-bolt rear end with a highway gear so you can do some cruising this summer. Check out these floorboards. They are painted the original primer color. Frame's in excellent shape. Look at this transmission, looks beautiful. Whoever did the restoration on this did a phenomenal job. Very, very sharp car, guys. Got a 400 motor in here. All the bushings on the front end, suspension parts look awesome. Just a really, really cool car. Don't forget, we're available 7 days a week by phone at 248-974-9513. Give me a call. I love the look. They have the wide ovals on here on the PMD wheels. They have a G7014 up front. Let's check the backs. Out back, we're running the same thing, the Firestone wide ovals, 14-inch 70s. Check out under the hood of this beautiful 69 GTO ragtop. Got a beautiful 400, all stock looking, absolutely gorgeous engine compartment, power steering, power brakes. What a great vehicle here, guys. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a ragtop this summer. Call me today at 248-974-9513. I'm available 7 days a week to answer your call.